Hey guys, Ben Holdred here with Surveyor. I'm in the Forest River studio. I want to take some time and walk through this top features um, poster with you. It's going to be featured in all of our 2024 Surveyors. So this is really going to help you understand some of the features that set our brand apart from the competition, and really explain what we do as a brand. Um, we've got two separate segments here, Legend and Grand Surveyor. A lot of these features are going to flow from the Legend segment into the Grand segment, but you're going to have a couple additional standard features in your Grand. Let's just walk through them really quick, and then I'll point out the additional features you're going to have in your Grand. So these are going to be standard in every single model. You've got platform steps, so solid steps, standard on every single model. Every entry door is going to have a solid step. It's also going to have a night light that's going to turn on when you turn on your porch light. You're going to have an enclosed underbelly with forced heat and radiant foil insulation. So every single Surveyor floor plan has a sealed underbelly with forced heat, and it's also insulated with radiant foil. So you're set up for extended season. On top of that, you've got standard 12-volt heating pads on every single model. So you're going to see a sticker by the entry door that says extended season ready. That's what we're talking about. The sealed, heated underbelly, radiant foil, plus the 12-volt heating pads. In this Legend series, you're going to get a 60 by 80 residential queen bed standard equipment. So even in our Murphy bed setup where you typically have a short queen, it's called, you're going to have a 60 by 80 still. So every Legend has a 60 by 80 bed. 10 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator. You're going to see in some of our walkthroughs, we've got the black glass Furrion 12-volt refrigerator. Great features on that Furrion refrigerator. You're going to have that in every single model. Gives you more capacity than a lot of brands out on the market. And again, you're going to have that from top to bottom, even in our smallest units. Premium window treatments, you're going to have roller shades throughout in every single model. This is a big upgrade for 2024 in the Legend series. We're really excited about it. Just a better feature for you, the customer. Goodyear tires, could not be more excited about this feature. A major upgrade for 24. We listened to feedback from our customers, from our dealers, and we added a great feature for you guys. We are super excited about it. Plus, you're going to get tire pressure monitoring system. This is a feature we had in 2023 carried over. We got really good feedback from the customers and dealers on this, but this is just a great feature for the customer, going to keep you safe going down the road. 15K AC, so every single Surveyor floor plan has a 15K AC. We do have certain models that you can add a second AC to the bedroom, which would be a 13.5, a non-ducted air in the bedroom. But just keep in mind, you do have a 15K air standard equipment. Outside kitchen, oh, I skipped the solar. So 200-watt solar panel. So we added some solar for 2024. Previously had an 80-watt setup. You've got a 200-watt solar panel with a 30-amp charge controller in every 2024 Surveyor. Not only that, you're going to have inverter prep in every single model as well. So in the pass-through area, you're going to see a sticker that says inverter. So you are prepped to add that 1,000-watt, 2,000-watt inverter aftermarket. Outside kitchen, every single Surveyor floor plan has some type of outside kitchen on it. There's not a lot of brands out there on the market that can say that from top to bottom. Every model has some type of outside kitchen. We do. Central vac system, standard equipment. This is a feature we had in 2023. I know you guys love it. We're one of the few travel trailer brands on the market that have this feature. It's an awesome feature. I know I'd want it if I was an RV buyer. Tankless on-demand water heater. This is going to give you easier access to hot water when you're traveling. A great feature for 2024. We are really excited about it. 2-inch receiver hitch on the back. You're going to see this in our videos. 2-inch receiver hitch weighted for 300 pounds. Really versatile setup for you, the customer, to add whatever accessory you want to the back, whether it's to accommodate e-bikes or whatever you've got. But just a great feature. Upgraded shower enclosure. We've got the slow close retractable shower door in every single model. It's a mildew resistant fabric, so very easy to maintain, but just a great feature. Ultimate bedroom storage. You're going to see this in our walkthroughs as well. We've got a gas strut assisted mechanism to lift up the bed storage area, make it easier for you. We've also got motion lighting underneath, and then 2 big pull-out drawers to accommodate any additional items that you want to take with you. It looks really good, and it's just a great additional storage area for you. So that's the Legend lineup. All these features, believe it or not, are going to be standard equipment in that Legend lineup. All right, let's move on to the Grand. There's a couple things that the Grand Surveyor Series has that the Legend doesn't. You've got a 3/4 front cap, brand new front cap with LED lighting. It's a beautiful front cap. You're going to see it in the Grand Surveyor Series. You've also got a custom king bed in every Surveyor floor plan. So a 66 by 80 custom king, a bigger bed setup than you're going to have in the Legends. And then you're going to have some bed slide floor plans as well. But custom king bed in every single Grand Surveyor floor plan. Moving on, you're going to have standard 50 amp service in every single Grand Surveyor floor plan. So ready to go for that second AC if you want it. Very easy to add that with the 50 amp service and second air prep. So 50 amp is going to be standard in every Grand Surveyor floor plan. Standard electric fireplace. So you're going to have a standard fireplace in every Grand Surveyor floor plan. Just a great feature. Puts off a lot of heat. You know, on those days where you don't want to, you know, use up your propane with your heater, you can turn on that electric fireplace and keep warm. And it's got some nice ambiance as well. So a great feature. Electric stabilizer jacks. We've got the Lippert PSX2 system that's going to be standard equipment on the Grand Surveyor Series. Great feature for you. Nice upgrade in that Grand segment. But that really wraps up these features here. There's a couple other things that we're doing. Slam latch baggage doors on the exterior, everywhere on the Grand Series. On your Legend, you're going to have slam latches on your front pass-through area. But I'm telling you, just a ton of great features in this Surveyor lineup from top to bottom. Really turnkey, ready for you to take home. Not much you need to add to it. We do have some options, some furniture options, upgrade a theater seat from a trifold. We are bringing a brand new feature for 24 also in that furniture segment called an Easy Out Trifold Sofa. Really excited for you to see that. We've got a separate video coming on that, but stay tuned for that. But then, of course, on here we've got our superior construction features. Construction is really something that sets us apart. Just to touch on it a little bit, we've got laminated sidewalls, rear walls, slide outs, and floors, block foam insulation. And everywhere you see fiberglass on our Surveyors, we've got Asdale behind it. So you're protected from moisture all the way around. So that's really something that sets us apart as a brand. We talk about having a superior aluminum structure as well. So pretty much every hole you see on this unit is framed out with an aluminum structure, so giving you that extra durability. So this product is really built to stand the test of time. But it's also going to be one of the lighter weight products on the market as well. So you stack us up next to another lightweight brand. Usually we're going to be lighter weights because we're using more aluminum in our construction. So keep that in mind. We talked about the extended season ready and some of the features there. But again, 12-volt heating pad standard equipment, which is a great feature for you. And then fully walkable roof. We're using a PVC membrane up there. It's the best roof material out on the market. But every single Surveyor, from our smallest up to our biggest, has a fully walkable roof. 16 on-center roof trusses up there. But this really just paints the picture for you of what Surveyor does, what sets us apart, and what makes us one of the best lightweight brands on the market. For any other questions, any more information, you can always visit our website or reach out to us on social media. We're happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for joining me today.